Hi friends, my name is Jupyter. Today we are continuing our Python playlist. Our today's topic is data types in Python. Yeah, let's start. First of all, we need to open Jupyter notebook. Close terminal. That's why open terminal. Yeah, then type Jupyter -lab. Then press enter. Then your Jupyter will be open. Not this. Then create a new notebook. Yeah. Then let's start. First of all, you need to know every variable is associated with a data type. Yeah, there are different types of data available, especially in Python. They are: first, integer or int; 2, floating or float; 3, bool or boolean; 4, str or string, string. Yeah, our first data type is integer. Normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. are called integer data type or int. Our second data type is float or floating data type. Decimal numbers like 2.1, 3.2, 4.5, 6.7, 6.5 are called floating data type. Yeah. Our third data type is Boolean data type or bool. Boolean data type means true or false, right or wrong, true or false. Yeah. Then our last and fourth number data type is string or str. String string means double quote, single quote, or triple quote. Triple quote are called string data type. Let's implement them in a Jupyter notebook. Then our first data type is int or integer. That's why create a variable. Create a1. Okay, is our variable equals to, we store a integer number 10 is our integer number. We store 10 in a1 variable. Okay, then print a1, then run it. Yeah, our variable is our output is an integer data type. To check the type of our value, type first bracket, then our variable a1, then run it. Yeah, our output is int because int or integer, because our value is integer or int or normal number. This is our first data type. Then our second data type is floating data type or float. Yeah, that's why create another variable. a2 is our second variable. Then store store a floating data type in A2. That's why type 2.1. Okay, then print A2, then run it. Our output is a floating data type or float. Then to check this, type first bracket A2, then run it. Yeah, our output is float or floating. Yeah. Then our third our third data type is bool or boolean. That's why create another variable A3 equals to write 3. Three is bigger than 5. Okay, then print A3, then yeah, it's false. To check it, type first bracket, then A3, run it. Yeah, our output is bool or boolean because our first output is false. That's why our output is bool or boolean number. Then our fourth or last data type is string data type or str. String data type means double quote, single quote or triple quote. That's why create another variable A4 equals to use double quote and type HELLO, hello, WORLD, hello world. Okay, then print A4, then run it. Yeah, to check this, type first bracket, then A4, then run it. Our output is str or string because we use double quote. That's why. Yeah, that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.